Can I add flavorings such as vanilla or chocolate to the whipped cream recipe?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a simple yet exciting addition to your whipped cream, flavors. Yes, you heard it right. You can easily enhance the taste of your homemade whipped cream by adding different flavorings like vanilla or chocolate. Let's find out how.
Why add flavor to whipped cream?
The beauty of whipped cream lies in its versatility. Its light, fluffy texture and mildly sweet taste make it the perfect accompaniment to a wide range of desserts. By adding flavors like vanilla or chocolate, you can make your whipped cream even more delightful. This twist not only makes your whipped cream more interesting, but it can also complement the taste of your dessert, making each bite a unique experience.
How to add vanilla flavor to whipped cream?
Adding vanilla flavor to your whipped cream is quite simple. You need 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to start. Combine the heavy cream and sugar in a large bowl. Beat the mixture until soft peaks form. Then, add the vanilla extract and continue beating until firm peaks form. Voila! You have your vanilla-flavored whipped cream.
How to add chocolate flavor to whipped cream?
Adding chocolate flavor to your whipped cream is also straightforward. You need 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Start by combining the heavy cream, sugar, and unsweetened cocoa powder in a large bowl. Beat the mixture until firm peaks form. And there you have it, your homemade chocolate-flavored whipped cream. And that's it, folks. As you can see, adding flavors to your whipped cream is a straightforward process, and it can truly take your desserts to the next level. Try these simple additions, and enjoy the enhanced taste of your whipped cream. Happy cooking!